This is going to be a product review of the OtterBox Commuter Series case for the Samsung Galaxy J3 and the J3V. This is a black case, and I'm going to try it out on this J3V phone that I got from my mom. Now, when I bought, this is something I want you to look at over here. Check this out, $34.99. When I bought this, $34.99. I'm going to zoom in on there because that's really important. When I bought the phone at Costco, they wanted to sell my mom a phone case, and they wanted $30 for the case. $30 for the case. The phone sells for about 100, I think 130, 120, 130, 150, something like that. So they wanted us to buy a case. They wanted her to buy a case that was about 20% of the value of the telephone. Now, I know this isn't the top of the line phone, but yikes. So I just said, no, we're not going to get it. I picked this up on Amazon. I'm going to leave a product link, an affiliate link in the description of the video. And if you click on it, you can buy it will take you straight to Amazon. It will help you out. It will help me out since it's an affiliate link. If you like my videos, do that thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, comment. We're going to unbox this thing if I can figure out how the heck it comes out. A little tricky case over here. So I think it said that it's got two pieces, front and back. Now, look at this again, $34.99. I just bought this on Amazon for $8.99. Prime, shipped out in 2 days. Unbelievable. Is it Amazon that's given that big discount? Well, like I said, Costco wanted $30-some for the thing. Unbelievable. Now, the one that they were selling at Costco was black. No, it was clear. It was a clear case. It was a clear case, and it went on the back. And I don't know. I think this is just the same thing. This is a back case. We have a little button over there, I assume, for the on-off, and that is, whoops, there goes the phone. The on-off, and then we've got the volume over there. Does she have a volume? I think, yeah, there's an up and a down over there. Lighting's not the best, but don't forget, thumbs up and subscribe. Now, we got a USB port over here and a headphone port on the bottom. Opening is over there for the headphone jack. Does this pop out for the USB? I would hope it does. All right, so there we go. Yeah, that's pretty neat. I like it. That's an OtterBox. I don't know if it's to protect your box or to protect your otter. Or OtterBox. $34. 35 really, $34.99. Get an opening over here, probably for the cell phone. So my mom's been bugging me saying, I want a case, I want a case. We should have bought the case for $30. She doesn't know that I'm picking this up or that I picked it up. Let's check it out. Let's pop this thing in. It comes in black. I'm looking online right now. It comes in black and it comes in aqua sky. It's an aqua blue and a light teal mixture of colors. I don't know. I don't really like it. I like the black. The black looks neat. So we're going to put this thing in here. I'm going to test it out and see if it pops in without breaking the phone. I don't want to break the phone. I don't want to ruin anything with my OtterBox. Let's slide this in at the bottom. There's probably a special way to do this that I just don't know. But I'm just a regular consumer, trying to figure out how you would do this. And I'll be back because I don't know how. Instructions are terrible. I don't know. Bad instructions. What instructions? Is this a two-piece? Maybe this is a two-piece. I thought I saw something about two pieces. Is this a two-piece? Not a bikini, not that. Come on, people. What are you thinking? This might be a two-piecer. This is a two-piece. Does it completely come out? Let's take that. We'll slide it in this way now. I don't know if this is going to last a long time. I remember years ago, OtterBox, yeah. I'm not used to saying otter before box. So OtterBox has been around forever, and they're supposed to be like a top name. So just alone with this is really nice. This is a nice case. This would be perfect. Is this a holster? On-the-go protection. So I think this is maybe a holster, maybe not. Nah, I guess it's not. Well, let's go slide this thing into the case right now. Probably pop it in. It should snap right in easily. We have the buttons over there, that big button for the volume up and volume down. We've got the button over there for the power. Now let's see what happens here right now. What is this thing over here? I don't know what this is. What's that little, I don't know what that is. Maybe a socket was on there? Did I have this upside down? USB's over there. Where's that port for the jack? Did I put this upside down? Did I put it upside down? Oh my gosh, did I put it upside down? Why didn't I see the jack over there before? I thought the jack was on. Is the jack over there? Where's the jack, people? Hey, Jack, where's the jack? I don't see the jack. Maybe it's backwards. It can't be backwards. There is the jack over there, and I'm looking at the hole, so something's really weird over here. Let me shut this off for a second. There it is, unless I'm reading this thing wrong. The jack is on the right, and this thing has the jack on the left. And yes, I'm doing it the right way because that is the camera and that's the opening. And they put my jack on the wrong side. The jack is off the wrong side. My mom doesn't use headphones. It's not going to matter in this case. We got all four corners are around the phone screen. So that's the only problem, is that if you buy this, there's a little light over there, but you're not going to be able to plug your headphone jack in. You have your USB port over there. That works. I have no idea what the heck this is for. It certainly isn't for the USB, because we need that opening over there. So let's go pop this inside this plastic case now. Let's see what we get. Does it go in? Does it go in? I hope. I'm going to put it on an angle. I'm going to put it on kind of an angle. I'm going to bend this plastic back a little bit. And it hasn't cracked yet. So as far as the jack, if you want the headphone jack, this is not the one to buy. Again, this is the J3V. I don't know what the V stands for. Camera displays on the back. That's the power switch button. Flapper. That's the volume up and down. That is the port. Is that going to work? She's not going to be able to do this. This is not good. I'm not happy. Right now, I'm not happy. How the heck is she going to be able to charge this thing up unless that flapper is out? She can't pop that thing out every single time to charge this. Oh boy, hold on. I took it out and put it back together. I left the little flappy out, so the flappy will allow the USB port to be plugged, the cable to be plugged in. Hold on a minute. I don't need to see the reflection of the phone. I'm going to press the power button, and we'll see if the power button's kind of difficult anyway, but we'll see if it starts up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not too good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It should start right now. It just vibrated. It's going to start up. Samsung Galaxy J3V. There it is, people. Hello? Hello? Can you hear me now? So that part works. I have no doubt that the USB port is going to work. Phone is starting. I'm going to try the volume controls in a minute just to make sure they work. Trying to block any messages or phone numbers that are on there. I'm going to press the volume button now, and let's see if we can get a ring or something. Doesn't work, so I am going to call this number right now. And should be ringing now. I'm going to see if... Oh, you've got to be kidding me. We're going to see if I can adjust the volume control. I don't know why it's not ringing. Well, that's going to be my review. That's going to be my review of the box. The only thing I'm not happy about, which I just told you, I'm not happy that the jack is on the wrong side. Definitely not happy that the jack is on the wrong side. So if you have the J3, even the box says J3, it says J3V, J3 2016 Galaxy J3V, no year. The headphone jack was moved to the other side, so be prepared to return it. You might have to return it. Thanks for watching, people. Thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, comment. You know the routine. Thank you. Don't forget to check that link in the description of the video. Final update. I am returning this. The case, as I said, has the jack hole for the headphones covered, which to me is not a big deal, but they have completely covered up the speaker opening. So the audio is totally muffled. I couldn't even hear the bell, so I installed a much louder ringtone on the phone, and I still couldn't hear it, and that's when I thought something's not right here. So I looked, and the speaker is on the side of the phone right above my finger over there, and the case completely covers it up. So I'm returning it. If you think you're going to run into the same problems, buy a different brand, buy a different case. The OtterBox covers up the speaker, and if you can't hear people talking, why do you need a cell phone? Fail.